Since the first episode didn't scare you off, it seems you're ready to create even more work for others. Click New Request on the toolbar or in the open column. This dialog box is specifically designed for summoning tasks. First, confirm the requester. Then you might notice that priority is read-only. That's a foolproof design. Because if we let everyone choose, the Kanban board would be guaranteed to be filled with bright red urgent cards. Want to change the card color? Go pester your manager. As for department, this is purely a statistical field for big data analysis. It has no real significance for the task you have at hand right now. Next is deciding who gets to take the fall. I mean, who's responsible. The system usually picks a victim for you based on the task type. If you think they're not unlucky enough, or if you want to challenge a specific person, you can manually click Sales Rep or Responsible Team to change it. If you really don't know who to pick, just choose a whole team. The department head will naturally find someone to take the blame and handle it. Finally, write down your requirements in the summary. Please, write in a language humans can understand. Don't make your colleagues try to read your mind. Hit save, and voila! This little card officially appears in the open column, and the poor soul assigned to it will be notified immediately. This is what we call throwing the ball out, bringing the joy in. Once the request is launched, it's a long journey of waiting and collaboration. In the next episode, we'll share how to have soulful exchanges within a single card, meaning conversation and attachment management. See you next time. Keep it up, okay?